Understanding Workshop Summary. English language learning made easy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, workshop summary. This is a commonly used term in professional and educational settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension. So, let's dive in. To truly grasp the phrase, workshop summary, we need to look at each word separately. A workshop is a meeting or a series of meetings where a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. The word summary, on the other hand, refers to a brief statement or account of the main points of something. A workshop summary is typically provided at the end of a workshop. It includes the key points, major discussions, and conclusions drawn during the workshop. This summary is crucial for participants who need to recall the main ideas, and it's also helpful for those who couldn't attend the workshop. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. After the 3-day writing workshop, the coordinator provided a detailed workshop summary. 2. I missed the first day of the seminar, but the workshop summary gave me a good overview of what was discussed. If you're tasked with writing a workshop summary, here are some tips. Focus on the main topics and key discussions. Keep it concise but informative. Don't forget to mention any conclusions or decisions made during the workshop. And there you have it. You now understand what a workshop summary is and how it's used in both professional and educational contexts. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.